welcome, welcome, welcome. How are we all doing? Are we all doing all right? Yeah? You sure? You sure? All right, that's good. Okay, so I just realised that I've been doing all these advent calendar day openings, and because of that, I have neglected to finish my November American Beauty boxes unboxings. I know. There's only so much there's only so much I can do, and I'm pretty pathetic at getting a lot of things done. I start to lose energy as the day goes on, so forgive me for that. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to return back to my November American Beauty boxes, and I'm going to do the November Ultimate box, which is now called, yeah, it's called the Ultimate box now. It was called the Icon box, it's now called the Ultimate box. This is the box by Ipsy that comes out every 3 months, and in this box you get 8 full-sized items. If you get the Beauty Boost, that will be 9 items, and this box costs $60. I can't remember. I think it's something like $60, and which is about £35. But if you get the Beauty Boost, which is an additional $15, it's going to cost you about £44 in UK sterling pounds. All right, now if you remember, this box was the one that was being delivered by Amazon to Stackery. So from Ipsy to Stackery, which is my address in America, Amazon managed to damage the box, do something to the box. I don't know what they did, but I didn't get the original Ultimate box. So I had to contact Ipsy and say, look, no, Amazon have damaged the box. Is there any chance that I can get a replacement or get a refund? So they said they're going to replace the box. So it's like, okay, great. So because of that, there was a big delay in me receiving a new box, and that's why I got my November box really late. I didn't get it until the beginning of December. So I've received the box. There was, most of the items were in the box, but there are a couple of things that were missing, and they just put substitutes in there. So I haven't really had a good look to see what the substitutes are. So we're gonna see what's there. But I am hoping that the main things, and I think the main things that I wanted were delivered in this box. They did come. I've also got a box of add-ons, which is a huge amount of add-ons. So I did some of the add-ons in my glam bags video. I'll do those, we'll see how we feel, but I might do the add-ons with this video as well. But let's just go through the Ultimate box first to see what I received. Now, if I remember as well, the November choices, they weren't that good, because usually the Ultimate box is the box I really look forward to, because it's usually just packed full of stuff, and I don't think I was that excited with all of the items that are available in November. But let's see if I might have changed my feelings about it since then. So I'm just going through my phone now just to bring up all the information. And right, so I'm just going through my phone now because it's all the information is available on an app on Ipsy. So I'm just going to go through that now. So as I said, it's 8 items. There are 5 items that are picked by Ipsy, and then there's 3 items that we get a choice of. So I think the first item I definitely did get, which was brilliant. So this was a Natasha Denona palette, and it's the retro eyeshadow palette. So I did get that. They did place that for me, so excellent. There we go. So we've got this palette here. I'm sure most of you have seen this palette before. They do sell it here in the UK, and they sell it for about £60, 60 to £65 this costs here in the UK. It's a fair amount, it really is. So here we go, this is the palette, this is what it looks like. So these little holes at the back allows you to push the shades out if you want to. And I'm just going to show you the shades. And these are the shades, which is beautiful. I love the Natasha Denona eyeshadows. They're just really pigmented. The colour you see is the colour you get. It's brilliant payoff. So I was more than happy to get this as well. So that was the first item, and that was the main thing that I really wanted. Everything else was just a bonus for me, to be honest. Right, let's carry on. Next there was a very Natasha Denona themed box. So they had several items that you could get from that brand. So this next item was from Live Beauty, and I think this is one of the items that I didn't get. I didn't get a replacement for. Yeah, I didn't get a replacement for that. So they got something else. I'm going to show you. I think they replaced that with Anastasia Beverly Hills. So yeah, I got Anastasia Beverly Hills Lengthening and Volumizer Mascara, which is alright, it's okay, it's nothing special, but it's alright, I've used it before. And to be honest, I didn't mind not receiving the Live Beauty pencils. I will put a picture of it up on the screen. There were just 2 eyeshadow sticks in 2 colours. I weren't that keen on them, to be honest. And the 2 colours, they were sort of like a coppery colour and a sort of like a rosy brown colour. In the previous month, I received 2 eyeshadow sticks from, what was the brand? I can't remember what the brand was. And I'm wearing them today. They were fine, very similar to, these colours were very similar to what I'm wearing today. But the ones I'm wearing, I can't remember the brand. What was the brand? Oh, it's so annoying. I can't remember the brand, but I actually preferred the ones I'm wearing now to the ones that were being offered in the ultimate box. So I didn't mind it, and I'd rather have this than the 2 eyeshadow sticks. So for me, this was a very good substitute. Then next was another Natasha Denona product. There were 2 lipsticks that were being offered, 2 shades. I wasn't that keen on both of the shades available, but you know, I got them anyway. So the shade available was 11NB. So these are the shadows. The brand is Natasha Denona. The lipstick is called My Dream Lipstick, and it came in various shades, but there were 2 shades that were Ipsy were offering. So I'm just going to show you the one that they picked for me. And I know I got the other shade as an add-on. If I can get it out of the box. There we go. So that's what the design of the packaging is like. Very ND. If this is available here in the UK, I'll put the details of it up on the screen. That's the colour. So that is not a colour that I would wear. It really isn't. So this will be going on eBay, because it's not for me. It really isn't. Not for me at all. So yes, that's definitely going on eBay to sell. It's way too light for me. And then next product was from Milk. I think they did provide this. Yeah, this is from Milk, and it was a clear brow gel. Another brow gel. All these clear brow gels, it's like, no. So it's Milk Makeup Kush Clear Brow Gel in Hydra. I'm not even going to open it because I'm probably going to put this on sale on eBay as well, but I'll put a picture of it up on the screen so you can see. Next was from Persona. This is the other product I didn't receive. So it was a Persona Cosmetics volumizing tubing mascara. This I did kind of want because I like tubing mascaras. They work really well for me. I don't know why, they just work really well for me. And it's a volumizing mascara as well. Didn't receive it. So what was the substitute they gave me? I'm not sure. It's not in here, but I'm sure they did give me a substitute. It might be in another box, but yeah, I didn't get that. Then there was choices. So choice here was from Living Proof, and it was a leave-in conditioning spray. So I'm more than happy with this. It's detangles and protects against UV and heat. Yeah, Living Proof is a good brand, so I was more than happy to get that. So for me, in this box, these 3 products I was very happy with. and one of those was something that was a substitute. So those 3 products alone more than covered the cost of the box. Then I also picked this as my other choice. This is from Rodile. It was a glass powder, so it's just a finishing powder. I think, is it finishing powder or a setting powder? They call it a loose blurring powder, so it's just like a finishing powder. If I remember, it's a nice packaging. Looks good. There you go. Really nice packaging. Bit bougie looking, isn't it? So Rodile is a good skincare brand, so I'm sure this will be nice as a blurring powder for me and my oily skin. So yeah, more than happy with that. And then we had this. This was a product that I picked as well. Some people had this as one of their choices, but I picked this one. No, this is one of my choices. So yeah, this is from Natasha Denona again. So remember I said it was a very Natasha Denona heavy month. So this was a highlighter. I did buy some extra of these, which I'm going to put on eBay as well. So it's a Natasha Denona Pastel Plexi Glow highlighter. It looks white in the pictures, so I'm actually wondering if it's one of those highlighters that when you put it on, it's got that kind of duochrome kind of finish. So this is the packaging. Yep. And this is what it looks like. So there's a mirror on top. That's what it looks like. I've got another 2 of these, as I said, so I'm probably going to put these on eBay. I just want to see what the finish is like when you put it on. Oh god, it's really glossy, isn't it? When you blend it out, it's more a gold shimmer. I remember reading somewhere that highlighters are making a comeback. So this will be my highlighter, I assume, for 2026, because this will take forever to get through. So I've got a few of these, so yeah, if you're interested, I am going to be putting it on eBay. I just need to see how much it costs here in the UK, and then I'll probably sell it for half the price of what it's sold for here in the UK. And I think that was it. I think this product was what they... wait a minute. Right, yes, the Beauty Boost was from Dr. Brandt Skincare Hydroglass Prep Serum Gel. I didn't receive that, so I'm going to be checking my other boxes to see if it's in there, but it wasn't in this ultimate box. So yeah, I was a bit upset about that, not getting that. I mean, it's not something I really wanted anyway, but it's a Beauty Boost. It's an extra $15 which I'm paying for. It had a value for $112, so if I don't see it in my other boxes and stuff, then I am going to be getting back in touch with Ipsy. But yeah, so this is this was the substitute for the... what was this a substitute for? This was the substitute for the... I think this is a substitute for the Persona mascara. So this is Dibs. It's a go-to glossy balm. I'm hoping it's in that kind of colour. It looks like it's a browny burgundy kind of colour, but it's a glossy balm. I do like balms. Not like I haven't got quite a few of them already. Oh, this looks interesting, doesn't it? That looks good. That actually looks alright, doesn't it? Right, I want to see what this colour is like. Ooh. Oh, it's like a chocolatey brown colour. I'd wear that. Oh, it's got a chocolate smell as well. Oh yeah, this is lovely. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that I mean, okay, yes, I wanted a tube of mascara, but I'm more than happy with that. I like that. I like that. So that was my ultimate box. What I'll do tomorrow, when I do the day 24, I'll go through some of the other items as well. Probably do the Allure Beauty box, and maybe I'll do some of the add-ons. There's a hell of a lot of add-ons over here. again, don't know what they've done with my order, but there's all sorts of packages over here, so we will see what is in there. But I did order a lot of add-ons, so I'm gonna want to see these products. So we will see tomorrow what we got. All right, guys, take care. I'll see you soon. Thank you. Bye.